Hi everybody! I just got my Boxycharm recently, yesterday. Some already got it earlier than me. Well, it depends on the schedule. Ignore that spot, that's wax. I'm still trying to figure out how to get it out. Anyway, here's my Boxycharm. This is my third box. So it's called Apple Grow. Whoopsie. First one called Truth Is Better Than Sex Master. It's $24. This is what this is. $24 for this. Beautiful arm. What? Try and put it on. Feel weird. So I'm gonna do this later because I don't have the mirror here. So pretty. The next one is Pretty Shimmer Swan Highlighter. I can't pronounce it. It's Pretty Something Shimmer Swan Highlighter. It's $32. Well, sadly, the shipment made a little messed up, but it's not broken though, so it's kind of messed up a little bit. So I fixed it myself. It looked brand new. It came off, so I just pushed it back down. Just like that. So this is what the thing looks like. Pretty color. It's a highlighter. There's a. No, Joanna. No. No. So there's pretty color. You can see that. It's so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So you can put it right here. Okay. So gorgeous. I have to. Sorry about the moving camera thing. I have a baby right there. So the next one is Test in the Store No Problem Primer. It's $18. So this is this one. Sadly, the shipment had this open, so it's not bad. It's not focusing. The camera's not focusing very good. See? That's what it looks like. I'm gonna pat it over my nose because that's a really bad pore area. I got some right down here. It feels really smooth, soft, very soft. Not bad. Nicely. The next one is from Nancy Clean Bee Yalta Gentle Face Cleaner. So this is this. Just random people got this, so I got it. So it washed away surface oil. It's also gentle facial cleaner gel that washes away the surface oil. Yeah. You wet your skin and massage it in a circular motion and rinse it with warm water. Use it in the morning and night. I'm gonna do that. But right now, I just want to smell it. It's not like it smell like. Ooh. It smells so good. You want to smell it? It smells really good. It smells like honey, kinda. Kinda smell like honey. Yeah, it's hard to tell. I don't have a really strong nose smell, but it smells really good. Maybe I can order more of these because they smell good. I'm going to give you the review on this later and see if I like this or not. Because I have really sensitive skin that breaks out very easily. I don't know if you guys can see my face. I have like pimples right there. And I have ear infection too, by the way. I got pimples right here. I got some in my hair right there. I have really bad pores here and here. So I got pimples right there too. So any product I use, my face breaks out. So I can't find the right product for my face. So I'm gonna try this and see if this has helped my face. So excuse me. The last one is Press Me Permanent Glazed Lip Crayon. It's $25 for this. That's what this is. Come on, focus, camera, focus. Come on. My camera being stupid. There we go. So primer down here. And this is what it looks like. Pretty color. The primer. Pretty. This is really neat. I tried this yesterday. It makes my lip really pretty though. So this is just light it on your lip. I like putting this on first because it makes my lip really smooth. But they're supposed to be doing the top part and then that, so there's many different ways. So then I'm gonna put it on. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I like to mirror it in, and then you put this on. Let's wash it off. I don't know, I'm learning how to do these because I never had this before. So this is what it did, and you can see my beautiful lip. It's so beautiful. So this is my third box of Boxycharm lately. So far, I really like this. It's because I used cheap makeup for the longest time, and it always makes my face break out, and it's really bad. So I'm trying to keep it make it beautiful. So I'm gonna make another vlog about this pretty soon for the deaf people because I'm hard of hearing. So I went to Ultra Beauty Store in El Centro, California for the first time. Amazing. I like the store. I don't have the money to buy it, but the one I really want to buy is Morphine the eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. I fell in love with it. Oh my gosh, I love it. I did try Too Faced foundation one, and some reason it breaks out right here because I'm trying to find a match my skin tone, and some reason it breaks out. So I'm guessing, I don't know, it's not clean because people used. I don't know what caused it, so I might have to buy the product and try it. Let's see. So I tried that. I tried and what's it called? And Wyatt, I think. I tried that. That was cool too. I tried MAC green eyeshadow. I forgot the name of it. It's like minty green color. Excuse me. Oh my god, it was beautiful. I tried it on. It looked good on me. I want to get it, but not enough money because I paid bills. That's the reason why I don't have enough money. And I have 3 kids. So far, if anybody wants Boxycharm, you can go to hashtag Boxycharm. Excuse me. $20 a month, but just remember March is Boxy Luke's. I'm gonna get that for the first time too. So I'm gonna see what it looks like inside because I never had Boxy Luke before. Ooh, sounds cool. So I hope I will do a makeup tutorial of my way on it, but I need you guys to comment down below what I'm doing wrong because I'm learning. And I don't have contour anymore because mine is old. I need to throw it away. So I need to buy contour stuff. And also, I don't have moisturizer. I don't have now I have primer now. So that's good news. And I don't have foundation anymore too. I'm out. So there's 2 I need to get a new one. What else I don't have? There's a lot of makeup I don't really have to do makeup, but I'm getting there. So right now I'm doing my lipstick. Not lipstick, lip crayon. My lip color. So it's really neat. I like the color because that's my favorite color is red. I'm sorry, red is my favorite color. So this is a gorgeous, beautiful red color. You see that? I don't know if you can see on my lip, but I can put it on my hand so you guys can see the color. Hold on, I'm gonna make it bigger so you guys can see it better. See that beautiful color? Gorgeous color. I love that. The mascara. I can't do it on this phone, but I can put it on. You can see the color. I put a little bit on this side, but you can see on this side. You see, look, other side, long lashes, so pretty color. You can tell I put a little bit on this side earlier. Do a little bit on this side, and then the one I'll put on this. More on this. So, different color. So, I really like this. I do like this too, but I put the highlighter right there, so I might have to wash my face to get the highlight off. Some reason I'm start getting sick. My nose starts running. Why my nose running? I will wash my hand afterward because I don't want to touch my product. So that's what I got. So don't forget, this is what the box looks like. Hello, Thomas. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this Boxycharm thing because I would say it's the best. It's better than the other company, but Boxycharm. Woo! So thanks for watching. Love you. Mwah.